What is up, legends? Welcome back to the channel where we break down the most exciting and innovative trends in the digital world. D7 here, back at it again with another epic video. And guys, this one is huge. Today, we're diving into something that's going to change the way you think about content creation forever. We're diving deep into the world of AI and unlocking a secret portal to YouTube success. Imagine having the power to transform your ideas into stunning videos with just a few clicks. Ever heard of Wikipedia? Of course you have. It's that massive online encyclopedia that we all turn to for information. But what if I told you that Wikipedia is more than just a place to read articles? It's a goldmine of information, and guess what? We're going to turn that knowledge into awesome YouTube videos. Yeah, you heard right. We're taking those text-heavy articles and transforming them into engaging, visually stunning content. We're talking next-level stuff here, transforming those boring old articles into epic visual masterpieces. Imagine taking a dry, text-based article and turning it into a dynamic video that captures the viewer's attention from start to finish. And the best part? It's all thanks to the power of AI. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we create content, making it easier, faster, and more efficient than ever before. We're going to blow this whole YouTube game wide open. With AI, you can create videos that not only look amazing, but also rank higher in search results, attract more viewers, and keep them engaged longer. Get ready to learn some game-changing secrets, because by the end of this video, you'll be a master of AI-powered content creation. We'll cover everything from choosing the right topics to using AI tools to enhance your videos. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive right in. This is going to be an epic journey into the future of content creation. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss a single second of this. All right, legends, let's talk Wikipedia. This website is insane. It's got info on everything. History, science, gaming, you name it, it's there. And the best part, it's totally free to use. Now we gotta find the perfect article to transform. Think about your channel. What do you usually talk about? Find an article that fits your style and gets you hyped. Make sure it's interesting and something people actually want to watch. Wikipedia articles can be long, like really long. Ain't nobody got time for that. That's where AI comes in clutch. Use a tool to summarize the article and make it super concise. Chapter 4. Filmora AI, turning text into video magic. Time to bring our summarized article to life. Filmora's AI text-to-video is about to blow your mind. Just paste the text and bam, it creates a whole video script and storyboard automatically. Chapter 5. Customizing. Make it your own. Okay, the AI gives you a solid base, but now it's your turn. Change up the scenes, add your own flair, make it pop. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment. Remember, it's your video. Make it uniquely you. Visuals. Bring on the eye candy. Time to make this video visually fire. Add some epic images, videos, maybe even some sick animations. The more engaging, the better. Keep those viewers hooked. Think outside the box. Surprise them. Now it's time to lend your voice to the masterpiece. Use Filmora's text-to-speech or record your own voice, whatever feels right. A good voiceover makes all the difference, trust me. Be clear, be enthusiastic, and most importantly, be you. What's a good video without some epic music and sound effects? Add some background tunes to set the vibe, make it cinematic. Don't forget those sound effects. They add that extra layer of awesome. Choose wisely, it can make or break the video. Nobody likes a clunky video, keep it smooth like butter. Use Filmora's transitions to connect those scenes seamlessly. Add some cool visual effects, but don't go overboard. Keep it professional, keep it clean. Almost there. Time to tweak those settings. Aspect ratio, resolution. Gotta get it right for YouTube. Make sure it looks crisp and clean on all devices. Double check everything. We're almost at the finish line. This is it, the moment of truth. Watch the entire video, make sure everything is perfect. Check the audio, the visuals, the pacing, everything. Once you're happy, we're ready to unleash this masterpiece. Time to export that bad boy. Choose the right format and quality. Gotta keep it high res. This might take a bit, so be patient. Good things take time. Almost there, the hype is real. YouTube upload. Time to shine. We're live, baby. It's the moment you've been waiting for. The culmination of all your hard work and creativity. Your video is ready to meet the world, and the world is ready to see what you've got. Upload that video to your channel. Click that upload button with confidence. This is your stage, your platform, your opportunity to shine. Give it a catchy title, write an awesome description, and make sure it grabs attention. Your title and description are the first things people will see, so make them count. And don't forget those tags. Tags help categorize your video and make it easier for people to find. Use relevant keywords that describe your content perfectly. This is how people will find your masterpiece, so make it count. The right tags can make all the difference in getting your video discovered by the right audience. Get ready for the views to roll in. Watch as your view count climbs, your audience grows, and your hard work pays off. This is your time to shine, so enjoy every moment of it. Promotion. Spread the word. The video is live, but our job ain't done yet. Share it everywhere. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. Tell your friends, your family, your dog. Everyone needs to see this. The more you promote, the more people you reach. Engagement. Build that community, legends. Engagement is key. Ask people to like, comment, and subscribe. Respond to comments, create a conversation. Build that community. This is how you grow your channel and keep those viewers coming back for more. Level up your content game. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, there's always room to grow and improve. There you have it, legends. You've taken a huge step forward in your content creation journey. You've officially unlocked the power of AI and transformed boring Wikipedia articles into epic YouTube gold. Remember, consistency is key. Keep experimenting with new ideas and tools to keep your content fresh and engaging. Keep grinding, keep creating, and watch your channel soar. The journey might be tough, but the rewards are worth it. Stay dedicated and passionate about your craft. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you. D7 out.